Hi, welcome to Science with Miss Wynn. Today we are going to talk about volcanoes. You may be asking yourself, what is a volcano? Well, a volcano is a mountain that has a hole through the center that reaches to the Earth's molten rock core, which is in the center of the Earth. Today we're going to look at ways that volcanoes change the Earth before and after they erupt. So, our first example is Mount Fuji in Japan. This is a picture of it before it erupted. Erupt means that the molten rock core came out and exploded at the top, turning into lava. So, looking at this picture, I noticed that it has some cracks. It's mostly the same color all around the mountain, and it has some green grass, and it has a little hole at the top. Now, you're going to watch a video of me completing an experiment, replicating what it looks like to have an explosion in a volcano.
Now, when a volcano erupts, all of the Earth's molten rock comes up through the center of the mountain and bursts right out, causing lava to overflow over the mountain. So what I'm going to show you right now is a little example of how this happens. So in my water bottle, which is acting as my volcano, I have some baking soda. Also, might I mention, please don't try this at home. To my baking soda, which is acting as my molten rock, I'm going to add some vinegar. When I add vinegar, you're going to see what happens when the two are mixed together. So, the vinegar causes the baking soda to increase its pressure, making it overflow like you just saw. Let's see if we can make it happen again by adding a little bit more vinegar. And boom, just like that, it's exploding and it's erupting. Just like a volcano, when the pressure inside builds up, the molten rock comes closer to the surface and then poof, it comes out the top, turning into lava. I hope you enjoyed watching this experiment. Remember, don't try this at home. I'll see you later. Bye!
Rose all the way to the top of the bottle and then came right out the top and down the sides, just like when a volcano erupts. So, looking at this picture after Mount Fuji erupted, so it had all of its lava squirting out, just like in this picture showing the lava coming out of a volcano. We are going to look and see how it has changed after the eruption. So, how did the land change after the volcano erupted? As we saw before, there was green. It was all kind of the same brown color on the top. There was a little hole. And the land had different colors, like the green and the brown, and some cracks in it. On this picture, we can see that it has a white cap. The white cap isn't snow, but the ash or things that exploded out of the volcano when it erupted that were left on the top. You can also see it kind of has some red right here. That tells us that the lava flowed down the mountain. And the green part that's over here in the before picture is not here anymore. So that tells us that the volcano ruined the nice green land and ended up hurting the plants and the grass that were living there. So now that we looked at this volcano together, Mount Fiji, your job is to look at Mount St. Helens and tell me what you noticed before and after the volcano erupted. I will see you tomorrow for some more science.